Practice set 2.2 question number 1. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. First one, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. We want to find out the numbers, two numbers, product of which should be plus 54 and their addition should be minus 15. Addition or subtraction, but in this case addition should be minus 15. If product is positive, then we have to give same sign to the numbers. Either it is plus plus or it is minus minus. In both the cases, if signs are plus plus, then also addition will take place, and if the sign is minus minus, then also addition will take place. So we should find out the numbers so that their multiplication should be 54 and their addition should be minus 15. Those numbers are minus 9, minus 6. See here, minus 9 into minus 6 can give you plus 54 and minus 9 minus 6 can give you minus 15. Now minus 15x can be split as minus 9x minus 6x. We can take out x common from these two terms. If we are taking x common from x square, x will remain here, and if we are taking common x from 9x, then 9 will be there. So x in bracket x minus 9 here, minus 6 if we are taking common from minus 6x, then x will remain, and if we are taking common minus 6 from 54, that is we have to divide this 54 by minus 6. 6 9s are 54. As we are taking minus sign common, so this sign of plus will change to minus. Now x minus 9 we can take common, and what remains is x minus 6 here. These two terms contain the common bracket x minus 9. Therefore, we can take x minus 9 common. What remains here it is x minus 6. Now, product of these two brackets is 0. If product of two numbers is 0, either both of them are 0 or one of them is 0. That means either x minus 9 is 0 or x minus 6 is 0. Therefore, x should be equal to 9 or x should be equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 9 or x equal to 6 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, second one, x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Now, product here we want as minus 20. If product is minus, then you have to give different sign to the numbers. If different signs are there, then subtraction will take place. As subtraction is going to take place, then we will find out the numbers such that their product is minus 20 and their subtraction is plus 1. 5 4s are 20. One another trick is the middle sign, here it is plus, that should go to the bigger one. So we will give plus 4 plus 5 minus 4. Okay, see here minus 20. 5 into minus 4 can give you minus 20, plus 5 minus 4 will give you plus 1. Okay, middle sign can be given to the bigger one, so that problems becomes easier and conventional. Plus 5x minus 4x, it is 1x. Now x square plus 5x here, we can take out x common from these two terms. What remains here it is x. X square upon x can give you x. 5x upon x will give you 5 here. Whatever thing you are taking out common, we should divide by that thing to the terms. Here we are taking minus 4 common from these two terms. So we will divide minus 4x by minus 4. The x will remain. Minus 20 upon minus 4 can give you plus 5. You can cross check. Minus 4 into plus 5, it is minus 20. Okay, therefore minus 20 upon minus 4 plus 5, it is correct. Now both these terms have x plus 5 common. So we can take out this common term, common bracket x plus 5. What remains in the bracket is x minus 4. As product of these two numbers is 0, either both of them are 0 or one of them is 0. Therefore, x plus 5 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. Plus 5 will go to that side and will become minus 5. Minus 4 will go to that side and will become plus 4. Therefore, x minus 5 or x equal to 4 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Third one. Two y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Now, here there is a coefficient for this y square. This coefficient 2 and 13, we should multiply these two numbers. 13 into 2 will give you 26. Now, the product should be 26 and addition should be 27. See, 26. Product of 26 and 1 is 26 and their addition is 27. Okay, so we can split this 27y as 26y plus 1y. Now we can take out common 2y from these two terms. 2y square upon 2y can give you y. 26y upon 2y can give you 13. Okay, as we are taking y common and 26 upon 2 is 13. Another way, 2y into y is 2y square, 2y into 13 is 26y. So this is the correct thing we are doing. As we are taking 2y common, y will remain here and here it will be 13. Now there is nothing common here, so we can take out one common from both these terms. 1 in bracket y plus 13 as it is. Now y plus 13 is common in these two terms. We can take out this y plus 13. What remains is 2y plus 1. Now either y plus 13 equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to, this plus 13 will go to that side and will become minus 13. Or plus 1 will go to that side and will become minus 1. And this into 2 will go to that side and will become upon 2. Therefore, y equal to minus 13 or y equal to minus 1 half are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, number 4, 5m square plus 22m plus 15. Now, we have to get the quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. Therefore, we will transfer this 22m to the left hand side, plus 22m will come to this side and will become minus 22m, plus 15 will come to this side and will become minus 15. Now, this 5 and this minus 15 will multiply each other. Minus 15 into 5 can give you minus 75. We have to get the numbers such that multiplication of them should be minus 75 and their subtraction is minus 22. Okay, as product is minus, we should give different signs to the numbers, and if the signs are different, then subtraction will take place. Okay, so multiplication should be minus 75 and the subtraction should be 22. So the numbers are 25 and 3. The simple trick is the middle sign should go to the bigger one, that is minus 25 plus 3. Once again we can check, minus 25 plus 3 is minus 22 and minus 25 into 3 is minus 75. That is, this minus 22m can be split as minus 25m plus 3m. Now we can take out this 5m common from these two terms. Whatever thing we are taking out common, we have to divide that term by the 5m square and 25m. We have to divide this 5m square by 5m and also this 25m by 5. Okay, so 5m square upon 5m will give you m here. 25 upon 5, 5 5s are 25. We are taking m common. So whenever we are taking 5m from common from these two terms, what we will have here? M, and here it is minus 5. From this 3m minus 15, we are taking out 3 common. M remains, 3 5s are 15. Now m minus 5 is common. What remains is 5m plus 3. Either m minus 5 equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 5 will go to that side and will become plus 5. This plus 3 will go to that side and will become minus 3 into 5 will go to that side and will become upon 5. Therefore, m equal to 5 or m equal to minus 3 by 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, number 5 is 2x square minus 2x plus half equal to 0. To simplify the quadratic equation, we will multiply each and every term by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 here, and 2 into 1 half will give you 1. Okay. Now, 4 into 1, that is 4. Okay. So, multiplication should be 4. And addition should be minus 4. As product is positive, therefore we should give same sign, and if same signs are there, addition will take place. See here, multiplication is 4 ones are 4. We will choose the factors as minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 can give you minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 2 can give you 4. Okay. So minus 4x can be split as minus 2x, minus 2x. Now we can take out 2x common from 4x square and this minus 2x. Now we will divide this 4x square by 2x. 4 upon 2 will give you 2, and x square upon x can give you x. This minus 2x upon 2x will give you minus 1. There is nothing common in these two terms. Then we will take 1 common as minus sign is there. Therefore, sign of this plus 1 will change now to minus 1. We can take out 2x minus 1 common now. What remains is 2x minus 1 again. Either this 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or that 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 half. Same thing here. So, x equal to half or x equal to half are the roots of the given quadratic equation. That is, the quadratic equation has only one root, that is 1 half. Now, question number 6. 6x minus 2 by x equal to 1. To simplify the equation, we will multiply each and every term by x. 6x into x will give you 6x square. See here, 2 by x into x, this x will get cancelled. What remains is minus 2. This 1 into x will give you x here. Now, this plus x will come to this side and will become minus x. Now, this coefficient of x square is 6. 6 into minus 2 will give you minus 12. We have to find the number that product is minus 12. As product is negative, we should give different signs to the numbers, and different signs are there. Therefore, there will be subtraction, and we want to find out the subtraction as minus 1. So, product should be minus 12 and subtraction should be minus 1. So, we will choose 4 3s are. The middle sign minus will go to the bigger one. Minus 4 plus 3 will give you minus 1. Minus 4 into 3 will give you minus 12. See here, minus x can be split as minus 4x plus 3x. Now we can take out 2x common from these two terms, because 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, as we are taking x common, here it will remain x, here remains only minus 2. Here there is nothing common, we will take 1 common, 1 in bracket 3x minus 2 as it is equal to 0. Now we can take out 3x minus 2 common from these two terms. What remains is 2x plus 1. Either 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x equal to this minus 2 will go to that side, will become plus 2. This plus 1 will go to that side and will become minus 1. X is equal to now into 3 will become upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3. Here, this 2 which is multiplied by x will go to that side and will become upon 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 half. X equal to 2 by 3 or x equal to minus half are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, question number 7. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now, root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into root 2, that is root 4, that is 2. 2 into 5 will give you 10. So, product should be 10 and their addition should be 7. See here. Product should be 10 and addition should be 7. So, we will choose the factors as 5 and 2. Product of 5 and 2 will give you 10 and their addition is 7. Okay. So 7x can be splitted as 5x plus 2x. Now only x is common from these two terms. What remains here? It is root 2x. Here 5. Here root 2 is common from these two terms. Okay. This 2 contains root 2 into root 2. So we can take out root 2 common. What remains here is root 2x. As we are taking root 2 common from 5 root 2, 5 will remain. Now root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5 will be common here. What remains is x plus root 2. Okay. Now either root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. Plus 5 will go to that side, will become minus 5. This into root 2 will become upon root 2. This plus root 2 will go to that side and will become minus root 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 5 root 2 or x equal to minus root 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now, question number 8 is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now 3 into 2 will give you 6. We want multiplication as 6 and their addition should be minus 2 root 2. As product is positive, we have to give the same sign to the numbers, and if same sign, then addition is there. So product should be 6 and addition should be minus 2 root 6. So it should be minus root 6 minus root 6. That is minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6. So let us see. See here. Product is 6 here. Root 6 into root 6, that is root 36. It will give you 6 only. Root 6 into root 6 is always 6. And minus 1 root x minus 1 root x will give you minus 2 root x. See here. Minus 2 root 6x. So, this minus 2 root 6x can be split as minus 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6x. Now, we can take out root 3 common from these two terms and x also we can take out. Because this 3 contains root 3. See here, 3 is always root 3 into root 3. We can take out root 3 common here. This root 6 is nothing but, see here, root 6 is nothing but root 3 into root 2. Okay, so this root 6 also contains root 3. We will take out root 3 common from these two terms. As we are taking root 3 common, 1 root 3 will remain behind here. And as we are taking x also common, what remains here is x. Once again I will say, this 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So, 1 of root 3 we will take out, root 3 will remain behind, 1 root 3 will remain behind. Here root 6 is nothing but root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Therefore, if we are taking out root 3 common, here we can have root 2 in the bracket. X we are taking outside the bracket. Okay. Now here we can take out root 2 common from these two terms. Okay. 2 contains root 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we are taking root 2 common here. Okay. Now as we are taking root 2 common, we will have root 3x here, and as we are taking root 2 common here it will remain root 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Minus sign we are taking outside the bracket, therefore this inner side will change. Now root 3x minus root 2 we are going to take common. This bracket is common there. Now what remains is root 3x minus root 2. As the product of these two brackets is 0, that is product of the two numbers is 0, either both of them are 0 or one of them is 0. Therefore root 3x minus root 2 is 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is 0. That is root 3x is equal to root 2, root 3x is equal to root 2, therefore x is equal to root 2 by 3. Okay, see here, x is equal to root 2 by 3, that is root of 2 by 3, same thing here. Okay, this equation has only one root. Now question number 9 is (2m) in bracket m minus 24 equal to 50. To have the equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c, we will multiply this 2m and m. 2m into m will give you 2m square, 2m into 24 will give you 48m, this plus 50 will come to this side and will become minus 50. Now this equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. 2 into minus 50 will give you minus 100. See here, we want product as minus 100 and their subtraction as minus 48. Okay, minus 50 into 2 will give you minus 100, minus 50 plus 2 will give you minus 48. So minus 48 can be split as minus 50m plus 2m. We can take out 2m common from both these terms. What remains here it is m. 50 upon 2 will give you 25. As we are taking m, going to take m common, what remains here it is 25. From these two terms we will take 2 common. What remains here it is m. 25 upon 2, 50 upon 2 will give you 25. Okay. m minus 25 is common here. What remains here it is 2m plus 2. Either m minus 25 equal to 0 or 2m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 25 or 2m equal to minus 2, that is m equal to minus 2 upon 2, that is m equal to minus 1. This equation can be solved by other way also. From this second step we can take 2 common, or we can divide both the sides by 2. So equation will reduce to m square minus 24m minus 25. See here, second method also I have given here, m square minus 24m minus 25. Now product should be minus 25 and addition should be minus 24. Okay, so minus 25 product we can obtain as minus 25 into 1. See here, minus 25 into 1 will give you minus 25, and minus 25 plus 1 will give you minus 24. Now this minus 24 we are splitting as minus 25m plus 1m. We can take out m common from the terms. What remains is m, and here it is minus 25. We can take 1 common from these two terms, so m minus 25 will remain. M minus 25 is now common. What remains is m plus 1. Either m minus 25 equal to 0 or m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 25 or m equal to minus 1. So m equal to 25 or m equal to minus 1 are the roots of the quadratic equation. From both these methods we are going to get the same answer. Okay. Now question number 10. 25m square equal to 9. This plus 9 can come to this side and will become minus 9. Okay. Now we can have this 25m square as 5m bracket square, this 9 as 3 square. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 5m square minus 3 square will give you 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3. Therefore, either 5m plus 3 equal to 0 or 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, 5m equal to minus 3 or 5m equal to 3. Therefore, m equal to minus 3 upon 5 or m equal to 3 upon 5. By second method also we can do this problem. See here, 25m square equal to 9. That is 5m bracket square, that is 25m square equal to 3 square. We can take square root of both the sides. By taking square root on both the sides, we can have 25m square, root of that is 5m, and a root of 9, that is 3 square. Root of 3 square is 3. Root of 9 is 3. We know that every real number has two roots without except 0. Okay. Every positive number has two roots, I will say. So this 9 has two roots, 3 or minus 3. Okay. This 9 has two roots. 9 has two square roots, 3 and minus 3. Therefore, 5m should be equal to 3 or 5m should be equal to minus 3. M equal to now 3 by 5 or m equal to minus 3 by 5. Same is the answer from both the methods. Now, question number 11. 7m square equal to 21m. We should know that we should follow this method in problem number 10 when there is no middle term, that is term without m. Then we have to take square root or by method a square minus b square. Okay, when there is no term in m or there is no middle term or middle term is absent, then and then only we have to follow this method. Now, problem number 11. In this case, this 21m will come to this side and will become minus 21m. In this problem, the constant term, that is plus 5 or plus 4 or plus 3, plus 11, the constant term is absent here. In such cases, we should take common directly. Here, 7m is common in both the terms. As 7m is common here, we can take out 7m common from 7m square. What remains here, it is m. 7 3s are 21. As we are taking m common from minus 21m, here it will be minus 3. Either 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 0 upon 7 or m equal to 3. 0 upon 7 will give you 0. Problem number 12. M square minus 11 equal to 0. Minus 11 can go to that side and become plus 11. So, m square is equal to 11 by taking square root. Root of 11 is plus root 11 or minus root 11. Okay. We can do it also by another method, that m square minus root 11 square, by a square minus b square method, that is a plus b, a minus b. That way also you can do that problem. Okay. So this is exercise 2.2, practice it 2.2 by factorization method. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.